Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. Easy recipe, moist banana bread that you will love and your family will love. So we're going to be getting 3 ripe bananas, mash it up in a bowl, add 2 cups of flour. We're going to be adding baking soda, baking powder, and sugar. Okay, we're going to add cinnamon powder as well. For the wet ingredients, we're going to add eggs and vanilla extract in a bowl with the bananas. Mix well, then we mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients together. 1 stick of butter in there, add the banana, mix it well. And then once everything is mixed, we're going to put in a pan and bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. I'm going to put a list of the steps and the ingredients in the description below. Please comment below and let me know if you try this recipe, if you like this recipe, and if you have any thing you want me to try and video. Please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Oh, this is the final product of the banana bread. Very delicious. Thank you.